Okay, hi guys. Ngizoniphathela iplug omusha. You looking for ama-glasses are affordable with the prescription or not? It can be even ama-sunglasses. Woza ke chona. Okay, uLensmart la. Udila nama-frames. Ama-frames abo aqala is from $1. You can just come and shop now with us. Okay, all you have to use is my promo code MASAN. That is Masan. Okay, it's gonna give you only 15% off. As you can see, bang 3 classes. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And the kulo 3 lo, cause nangazi uthi ngiphilela umfana. Obviously, khona ama-classes abafana. Khona weingane, khona nama ladies. So let's start. This is the frame 1. Yabantu besilisa guys. As you can see, ama-sunglasses. Ne? Lalelani. Mahle. Ningabe ukuthi awugela ukhulelwe ne? But she's still rocking those glasses. Udinga nje ukuthi tint ikhanda athi tint makeup and then unrock. As you can see guys, masiwabeke laphana ngathi umuntu osile. And guys, they're so affordable. So affordable. So, into yenza nje, just use my promo code. Uthole 15% off. So as ama-glasses eqala from 1% iframe yakhona. That means uzothola 15% from there. How nice is that? Okay, size ku-frame 2. Yo, lawa kawami. Girl always choose the best for her. But I think they can be unisex. Nomnyeno ngawasebenzisa mos. And oh my god. Ay man guys. Andimhle. Lapha ngene shoot ama-classes that much. I started using ama-classes primary. Nakhona ka grade 7 and then high school by grade 10 because asengiqala ukuform how to get no classes. Thank you. Gadila namehla menjalo. But ever since nginenkinga ekufundeni, nginenkinga efonini noma sengilose i-computer kakhulu. So I decided it's okay. Mase ngi-order Lensmart, let me order for myself ama-classes azongisiza ekufundeni. Can be a phone, my computer, or just read a book. Okay, hi guys, ngicela nibuye iframe yakhona. Okay, ama-glasses akhona bayawathinta kancane as muhambe elangeni ayakwazi ukuprotect amehlo akho. Niyazi nani bo 4 eyes. Kunenkinga elangeni, you drive, kunenkinga. And then these are my glasses. Lana I couldn't even breathe. Excitement is being breathe bengena la ebukweni so ngixhobe. Ngicela ngicane niyaku ukumitha ngicela ngincama ogelweni. So guys, uplug lo ngize no plug omusha ogela uniphathele bo 4 eyes. Ngenani nje kwilink yami nisebenzise ama details ami nisebenzise promo code yami uyotholela 15% off. I shipment bayayicoverisha. Bye.